It's good that you're living in a joint family in Mumbai. That's rare.
You are also living in Mumbai. That's you are curious to know more.
Then yeah, I stayed in Mumbai for long. I studied over there. I used to live in Andheri area in
Okay, okay.
Andheri Wala.
So you know about also
And
Jogashri area, right?
oh yes, yes, yes.
Well, over there also we have one property. It is my
Okay.
uncle property. They got that property. So yeah, it is Barambag area. Have
Oh,
you been there?
yeah, yeah. I have few relatives in Borivali area.
Okay.
So in Borivali,
Okay.
you may know, it was like a North Indian group. Uh, Amarkant Jha.
Where are you living nowadays?
I'm in Houston, Texas, US. For last
Okay, you
20,
are in the USA.
yeah, for last 20 years I'm
So
in US.
it means, have you settled over there for just working?
No, no, I've always like I'm here since 2005, almost 20 years.
Okay, it means you have also citizenship over there.
I have yet to get that citizenship, but yeah, I have a green card.
And what do
This
you do,
year,
sir, in work?
I'm in IT. I work for a consulting company called Accenture.
Okay, you are working at Accenture company.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice, sir. You know, today is my good day. Yeah, I got it. It means a foreigner included an Indian man.
No, it's thanks for
So,
compliment.
sir, basically, do you visit or India or not uh, in a once time in the 1 year?
Yeah, yeah, I visit India frequently. Like every 1.5 years, I visit India.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. You have any question for me? You can ask me, sir.
Yeah, yeah. So, in your accounting, right? What is your expectations from this class? Are you looking for a job change or in accounting, right? Like, do you want to enhance your skill sets in IT?
It means why I'm joining this kind of the platform. I want to just enhance my fluence.
Mhm.
First thing, my first thought this, and second is because in private sector, if someone working in private sector in different little bit computer work, so if we know this kind of the skills, so definitely that skills always give us good benefit in our any it means in any
Yeah,
fields. That's why I'm learning, and I don't have any it means the different kind of the show off. I don't want to do this thing. I want to just have this kind of the skills only, speaking skills.
no, that's good.
I don't have any desire to speak this language. Only just I know about this thing.
No, that's it's good, right? So, yeah. So, you definitely in this questions, right? So, yesterday you had some questions related to co-pilot, Word,
Yes,
Excel.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So I will go through that. Let me share my screen. So all of you know the word Chat GPT, right? Chat GPT is open AI platform, but also Google and Microsoft has their own Gen AI app applications. So yesterday I was showing about. Can you see my screen?
Yes, Rajeev. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, we can
So
see.
now let's see here in a Word document, right? Every day we use this, right? Microsoft Office, like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and of course Outlook. So if you see here, it is added Copilot. See this icon, Copilot is GenAI. Once you start it, you will see this icon, and then just click on that. You'll see another right? And then here you can type whatever you want. What do you want them to do? It's like Alauddin ka chirag, right? It will ask, okay, tell me my Aka, what do you want to do, right? So ask anything, right? Any quality or anything, whatever you want to generate something, some documentation, because you have open a Word document to do something. So this Copilot will help you to create anything like if you want, right? Let's say Om Prakash ji, for let's say for your work, okay, describe an importance of quality check in you are in semiconductor, right? Semiconductor industry.
Yes.
Semiconductor industries. Right? Just type it and then giving you which is more relevant for your industry, and then say generate. It will write everything for you, like whatever you are asking, and then you can modify it. You can say that, right? See, it will be done. Your task is done, and then you can whatever you want to ask, and then you can change right accordingly. Right? You can read it. You got a fair idea about everything, whatever you are asking, and then you can accordingly. Right? Same thing. Let's say if I want to save this, and then I want to create a PowerPoint on this. I'll just say and then I'm saving this. I'll just let's say save this. And now you want to create a PowerPoint. Let's say PowerPoint or email or summarizations, whatever you want.
You save
So
this,
this is my Word document.
sir. You save this file as a Word file, na?
Yeah,
So
this is a
how
Word
it
file.
can be okay?
Okay, so this is
How it
the
can be convert? Okay.
okay. So now that's very good question. Now how will tell PowerPoint? Okay, then you can click here Copilot. So Copilot, tell Copilot to either create a PowerPoint or you can take anything from. See, either you can create anything from here, right? Or you just tell them to create something from fresh, or you can create PowerPoint presentation from a file. So quality check, which I just saved it, right? So you'll see that from a file. Okay, and then say that okay, create that whatever we created right now. So create a presentation from that file, or you can create from scratch. And then of course you can select your own template. Like if you have any company specific template, you can create it. So your presentation is ready. And then you want to see this presentation. See, the presentation is ready in like this testing. See, there's our series of pictures. Right? It created all everything for you. All pictures, nice pictures. See, enhancing customer satisfaction. Otherwise, you have to,
Very easy.
yeah,
It's
it's like
very
magic,
easy.
right? It's magic wand.
Yeah,
See
sir.
these pictures,
Sir,
right? Like this. Mhm.
I have the 50 picture of my family pictures. So I want
Mhm.
to in a, convert in a sequence by the picture or be the one the music file also inside the music file. So convert into video. So so pre-
No.
so previously I have do the whole photo convert in the PPT sequence by sequence and attach the one the song in and convert into video PPT to video.
Mhm.
And then this video upload to Facebook. So
Hmm.
everyone, my family, my neighbor, and then my relative can be see the my all the picture and all the. So it can be help to here.
I have not explored that. But definitely, if
Okay,
you have already used PowerPoint, then yes, maybe
okay,
you
okay,
can you
okay,
can
okay.
create and then you can ask. Yeah, right. Like you can ask anything, we can try it. So
Yeah,
now we
sir, it's
saw that
great.
PowerPoint and then Word document. Right? Now let's
Yes,
see for the email. Right, email is also important. Right, sometimes you don't know how much if you want to see write a long email to your client, but you don't know how what to write. Right, because and it takes time consuming thing. Right, you can just say
yes,
create
sir.
an email and then see copilot to draft. Right, draft with copilot. And then you can see if you want to see in this email. Uh,
Sir, one of the production has do the some mistakes. So that finished product is the some productivity defective issue. But
okay.
production guy not accepted his problem. So he sent to me. He is not accepting his fault. So
Just
how you
yeah. So
can
just tell me. Yeah.
it can
Just
be
text me. Text that in the text, and then I can put it here.
it can
So in the text, just send me what you want to say in the text, right? Iterator, and then I will ask Copilot to create an email for you. Text me your query here.
So yes, Rajesh, so I have one query regarding that one. So the Copilot, so
Sure.
like I have to install that Copilot in my laptop.
My company. It's a most of these companies will provide you similar like any Microsoft Office. It will come with that. But if you
So
have
it is already installed like Office 365 or like I have to again download it.
uh, you have to download it. Like you have to get access like any kind of Microsoft Office, right? The way you have existing Office, then you have to install. To get at Copilot, there will be.
Okay.
So Prakash, you have to try typing. Send me that query about that production issue. Then I will ask exactly the same thing to Copilot to create an email for you.
Hello, Prakash ji.
just
If you
I
want to,
just I just I search the mail and just I searching the mail and so copy it and
okay.
paste
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
So
Yes, yes. I think that's good. Good idea. Then send me the copy, and then you will see. And it will also tell you that if you are sending to customer, if it is little harsh, it will tell you to reduce your tone, make it softer tone.
So we can say like it is most similar to Chat GPT, right?
See, yes, see the chat GPT, only thing it will be little difficult. You have to copy your email, right?
Right, right,
It is not linked with your any app, any Microsoft applications, right?
right,
You have
right,
to
right.
copy paste, you have to do something, right? But yes, the concept is same. It's a genie.
Yeah, but like in our office environment, like we can't install that like data for the software because if we install that, then maybe some there's a breach of issue.
Mhm. Yeah. So for that's what I'm saying. See, this is my office laptop, and then I work for Accenture, and then Accenture is providing this. So most
Oh,
of these consulting companies are providing this to enhance your productivity.
okay.
Consulting environment. So if you have to create any business processes,
Yeah, yeah.
let's say, right? Anything, right? See,
Actually,
this
today
is
I joined. Yeah, yeah. Sorry, can you repeat that once again, like what you said?
right. So this will enhance your productivity. Sometimes what happens, let's say in SAP, right? So if you don't know, if you just thinking, okay, writing PowerPoint, let's say, for any
Yeah,
topic, right? And then it will take some time, right? Here
yeah,
you are getting ideas, and then you have to update it like PowerPoint. It's something someone else is creating PowerPoint for you, and then you are just updating it, right? For
right,
your
right.
own clients. So wherever like, you are spending 3 to 4 hours on something, now it's think about.
Yes, Rajeev. Yeah,
Yeah. So yes, Chat GPT, Google Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, GitHub. So from job perspectives, right? This is like really challenging. The challenging era is coming for us, right? So we have to be ahead in the game. If you make this as your friend, your co-pilot, right? Your AI companion, it may boost your productivity, and then yeah. And this is like a nascent stage, right? It's kind of internet in 90s. That's what I will tell you. So just started. The huge competition going on among all those companies, like who can provide better. The new tool called Zool. Right? Tool called Zool. There's a process for Signavio. Lot of things are going on. Lot of technical changes are going on, and then we have to be on top of it. Otherwise, our skill sets will be obsolete. Will be out of job.
right.
Prakash, did you find email, or I can type some emails for you?
Sir, it is getting problem due to my company is restricted to you can't be copy paste
Yes.
to another
Yeah.
application.
It's
So
okay. What I will do?
that's why I'm
Yes.
finding the another option. Okay, sir, you can
It's,
do that. You can
you can see my email, right? Okay. So create an email for product. Send an email to a customer for a product issue and convince the customer for a faster. I have not used this, but let's see.
Yes, sir. Please check. Yeah, I have sending the in. Just check.
This is the same now,
Yes, yes.
right? See this one?
So I check
Keep. So this is the system has created email for you,
sending it.
right? And then you can adjust accordingly. Just I typed something and it created something. See how easy it is. And then for any, right? Let's say, okay. So let's say this example. So now if you want to send that email, but if you want Copilot to make it better, let's say what it does. So this is a little polite way. Okay, see this one. Make it longer, make it shorter, more formal, more direct, more casual. Okay, make it longer. And then it can make it shorter. See this email, same email. Tejas Abhyankar would greatly appreciate resolving this issue despite. Okay. This way,
So what is this, sir? Very strange, sir. Because previously time Google Translate is doing the mistakenly, some pronunciation mistake and
mhm.
some grammatical mistake. He not understand the Google properly our queries,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
he is understand. But he is understand our what is the problem, who is the person is take care it.
yeah, everything, right? Everything. And then if you see this adjust feature, right? Casual, formal, direct, make it a poem, short, medium, long, everything. Then the tone, how to set the tone, casual or formal, right? So
So
it's
this
a,
is a crafting. We can do the daily basis in the crafting, so we can be
yeah,
good enhance and
correct. Yeah. So generate.
this is our yes, this is our the best friend for the support to all time.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes. More formal. See how to just set up the tone, right? Like so, yeah. So that's what we saw, right? So PowerPoint, and that's what we do, right? In any kind of job, it doesn't matter what you do, are you consulting or IT or business user, right? That's what we do. These tools every day we use Microsoft Word,
So sir,
Excel, PowerPoint, email.
co-pilot application is everyone can be download. I need to license and anything.
No license, right? It will be licensed. But
Oh,
yeah,
it's
there is also
it's
a version for Copilot which is free. That's general.
Microsoft license. They can easily to download na.
Yeah, yeah. That's what they see. All companies are encouraging employees, right?
Mm-hmm.
See, see, what is the difference between any Ivy League college graduates, right? Like writing, communications, right?
Right, right.
Thought process. So now you are the same person, right? The productivity for the same person will be enhanced
Mm.
tenfolds, right? If you already know these things, yeah. And then also there is a GitHub. So right now, let's say if I have a some business requirement, and then there is no custom solution for it. Let's say for creating any report in Java. Okay. So what we do? We create functional specification, talk to development team to create a code, right? Create a program for you. There is a GitHub where you tell business requirement and system will create your programming code for you, create application for you. Do you get it? So you don't need a developer to write a code for you. Or if you are a developer, if you know coding, then type your business requirement, type your code. If you are getting any error, system will fix that error. The system will tell GitHub will tell you where the error is, right? And then it will create your it will create that fix that coding problem.
Okay, okay. Sir, one of the things I am using the yes applications that having some error
Mhm.
error create 404 error. So I don't know 404 which error. So how we can it will be help to us? Yeah,
That
I
error,
should
yeah.
go to the expert.
That error right now, when you can go to Chat GPT or something, right? But see, this error is basically just a message, right? But what I'm telling you that in behind the code, if you have any code, right, the programming code written, then GitHub will tell you. If you want to know the details of the error, like why, what does this error means, you can do it Google or Chat GPT or anywhere. But if you want to fix that code itself, going into the code and fix it, GitHub is the tool. Microsoft GitHub. It will give you, it will fix that code for you. So basically, what the Gen AI is trying to make it a human as superhuman, right? Superman, right? Which it can do anything, right? It will tell, it will solve your problems, all your emails. I'm using it and any feedback. So easy now. Interviewing, right? If I'm interviewing any person, I'm just switching on the
Sir,
co-pilot. And then, yeah.
one of the idea came in my mind. My daughter daily do practice for the examination. So just he one question answer he do the come to while and suggest to please check my question and
Mhm.
answer and give them mark. It can be possible.
Yes, yes, yes.
Where is I am wrong, which application, which mistake I have do.
Right, yeah, yeah.
So
It
it
will
can be
correct it,
helpful.
right? It will correct it. It will correct it, and then you can do that. See, of course. So it is. This is a tool which can be our friend, right? Like you use you as a friend, your teacher, right? Your own resource, right? Which is always with you, 24/7 available for you, right?
Yeah.
Which will tell you what to do. Yeah.
So two days ago, I came just with my friend, just kidding, just joking. I with him. So in a 10 year, 15 after, the everyone man wants to buy the robot for the
Yeah.
assistant robot need to requirement just right now everyone having the mobile. So right now the 15 years ago they after they have need the robot because man to man not giving the service. No one can cooking food for you. No one can anything service. So you need to buy the robot and robot will be served to you. So I assuming that and telling
Absolutely. No, no, absolutely not about robot. Think about it, right? If you need any legal advice, create a legal paper, and you don't have to talk to an advocate anymore.
Oh, okay.
right? If you just put your symptoms, you don't need a doctor to write you prescription for you which medicine you right?
So, sir, so upcoming year, the government also we can manage it. How we can population needed. So, as a company 10 employee required, then he publish the vacancy. So, if the government needs 10 lakhs, yeah, 15 lakhs, yeah, 2 lakhs, then he okay, let's go to laboratory and then the IVF and produce the child.
Yes, think about it. But see, this population and other things, right? See, the thumb rule is be smarter, right? Change with your with the technology. Be on the same pace, else you will be outdated.
Yes, correct, sir.
That is the mantra. It's not like see in earlier days, right? Talking about our Sanatana Gayasthasram, Vanaprasthasram, Sannyasasram. So your job is to learn only in Brahmachari ashram, right? When you're in student life. That is not anymore, right? Learning you have to be like now. Change with technology, be on the pace. Yeah. So remember, I think one day I was talking about flying cars and what project right now on that. So there'll be vertical takeoff vertical landing. That will save your time, right? So yeah, so that's what life is, right? So life will be different, right? In this particular our job, our stress level also, right? We'll
Yeah.
get different kinds of things. See, in any meeting, right? What do we do in our job? Either we send an email or attend meetings, right? I'm talking about specifically in the consulting environment. Meetings, talking, workshops. Now, Copilot also included there. Just start your Copilot and it will create your minutes of meeting. Who told what, and it will summarize everything in the meeting. What happened in the meeting? What was the decision made?
MOM.
Yeah.
MOM look like.
Yes. It
So
will
how
create.
it can be?
It will create.
How it can be? We
Yeah.
have
So
the conversation. Then my manager can be send the MOM. So how we can be?
yes. Yeah, it will create your MOM for you. Let me
How is
say
it
my
possible?
screen.
Because the
Yeah, I'm
conversation
telling
in
you.
the voice, voice conversation.
Yes,
Na?
that's what it is, right? Like, see, when the session is recorded, right?
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
so it will create everything for you, like in Zoom or in Teams. It is
Okay.
there. In the Zoom, we have AI companion, and in Teams, if you see, there is something also called Copilot, which will create everything for you. Say, if I go to any meetings, my previous meetings, let's say in this meeting, you can also start your Copilot, and it will create. It will create for you. Copilot. I have two things. Like one is Amethyst, this is Accenture's one, which will create everything, which will just type it and it will get all information from Accenture. Okay. And then there is also Copilot, which will, once you started meeting, see this one? Once you started meeting, open Copilot and it will summarize everything for you. It will create a MOM for you.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And then in a Zoom also, there's something called AI companion. So if you'll start that, it will take a notes for you and then it will create MOM for you after the
Oh.
meeting.
Okay. Great. Great.
So
Yes, sir. It's great, sir. Great, sir. India very strict for it. All the Indian. I think highly the 80% is but I never, yeah, never. Either
So
2022,
that's it.
2026, we have the plan for MES4. So we can start 7 days ago. So I am discussing with the manager when it will come with MES4. It will taking time. Okay, just you relax with MES4 will be come either 2026 or
Yeah.
2027.
So that's what I'm thinking. You might see this very challenging time is coming. Okay, where simple rule either be with pace with the technology or out of the job. That's what's going to happen. Because see, the manufacturer. Did I talk about it?
You I
Yeah,
think explain it. Yeah. You.
yeah. So digital twin, the concept of digital manufacturing, right? From my laptop, I can switch on any equipment, switch off any equipment. I can see the productivity of that equipment, who is working, when that person logged in and logged off. If I have to turn off any mess ocean at any oil company, if I have to turn it off any pipeline, I can do everything using my laptop. It's not 500 kilometers from here, and then there is a pipeline broken, which I have to stop something, turn it off. I don't have to do that anymore. So that time is coming soon. It's already started. We are doing some kinds of project.
Sir,
Let's say
what one is the thing here. So I will do some assistant for the calendar assistant. So my task pending. So how we can manage it, or which task my close and which task is my pending, and how we can it need to follow up.
that that will help you to become more valuable resources. To learn some courses, it depends upon what is your domain, right? Like industries, let's say if you are working on any particular industry, Be expert in that industry. Do not be totally diversified. That is another thing, right? Let's say if you are working on finance industry, know it about finance industry. If you see some risk management, supply chain management, then dig it and then try to understand more from a sustainability perspective. Uh, Blockchain, right? That is the area. You cannot be expert in all areas.
If I talk
So,
about like so I am the part of the networking team.
which one? Networking.
Yeah, networking.
Okay. So what is who is right now?
Sorry.
Who is your client right now? Working on a
So
project?
like I'm handling for the like USA project State Farm.
State Farm.
Yeah, is sector, right.
Yes. So look for an insurance sector. What are the challenges? What do you see in insurance sector? So insurance sector we become in industry insurance sector. That way.
Actually, right now, but like I basically have networking part. Like suppose if any like user is complaining about like their device goes down, so after that I goes to so like I want the and apart from the firewall, this type of thing.
That's how we use. Do not become a technical expert. So know also about like okay, whatever you are having, how it is adding to business, and then become more go towards functional side. You see, what if the whole state farm goes on cloud? Say now take that entire contract. What will you do? Then you do
Yes, so like
job will go to AWS.
right.
That's what like all companies. If they will go cloud, then they will reduce cost.
Right, right,
And that's how you can survive. So this will be more of functional expertise also in your resume. If you say that you techno, so you also know about challenge in the industry, not only for the network. In that case happens, right? So what options do you have? The options will be either join Amazon, right? Big company which is doing that networking. Because see, these big companies will take all these kinds of jobs. All security, all networking, these things, these jobs will go soon. All development kinds of jobs will go soon. So either you have to join them or enhance your skills. So you can see that okay, if you are not only a technical person but you also know in and out about this company. So what are the challenges that your insurance company is facing? Biggest challenge right now for any insurance company is climate change. Right?
Mm.
This hurricanes, lot of floods, right? Those are not factored in taking contact. You can go that angle.
right.
Or in SAP or any other ERP will also definitely enhance your skill sets in this functional side. And then there are some courses you can opt for, like a lot of free courses on supply chain, like right. That's the best thing for you. Just videos and then like lot of things you'll see. is, I think, I like that edX.
Okay.
That perspective, like what Excel can do, I will be aligned with the experience. It's not like something area, but if you all work in that particular area, that's technology and such thing. Right? Say if we have something, risk management. Insurance is not a correct term. It's risk management. Business risk. This of your area. You can also think about cyber security, networking cyber security. That will also more aligned with your skill set.
Right.
Cyber security, I think that will be better for you. Cyber security. Security, this one. And the certificate you will get from Harvard. It's a big one. It's a free course. If you just want to get a certificate from Harvard, then you have to pay. But yes,
It is like
so, yes. Let's see your certificate from Harvard. And you receive Harvard. Cyber security, and you can just pay some minimum fees to get a certified certification. But if you just want to learn, that's free.
oh,
Definitely explore the cyber security and networking, managing risk in the information age, and of course, computer intelligence. Those things will help you to land the job. But yeah, this is another thing, right? Cyber security is big. So you can explore that too.
thank you for that one information. Yeah.
I think that's all for today.
Sir, many things, many strange new things we have learned today.
No.
So we can, yeah, this is my task. Our task is spending, so we enhance it
Yeah.
in a daily basis.
Yes.
And very
Yeah.
good application to our life and reduce our
Yes.
so convert 55 to 1 hour draft sentence drafting and uh, in a product you crafting good application
Yes.
is it's a good
Okay, thank you for joining. We'll talk later on.
Very nice.
right sir. Pankaj, right.
Good night. Good night, Rajeevjee.